It's a very interesting question, because when you look at the globe, the risk on this planet is growing faster than the world economy. Now the question is, will this actually end up also in more premium for the insurer? Why do I say the risk is growing faster than the global economy? It's actually threefold. Today, 50% of the world population lives in cities. It's expected that this goes up to about 70% just in about 2 to 3 decades. Think about the wealth and asset and people accumulation in very few spots on this planet. Secondly, we have an increase in nat cats and large losses in terms of severity and frequency. So if you overlay these two things, already you see the dimension of growing risks. And thirdly, if you look at how our customers actually produce today, it's totally different. You know, when somebody coughs in Australia, somebody catches the flu in Canada on the production side. So it's totally an interconnected world. So all of that would say to me, yeah, the risk is growing, and in that case, I think we're in the right industry. The risk managers, the insurance industry, and the broking industry. We're all in the right industry because the risk is growing. In addition, we see growth obviously on the life side, with global aging, on the pension side, and also with companies becoming truly global for global EB programs. So the hard market. Well, the last really hard market we had after 9/11. And then we have seen rates declining till about 2008, 2009. Since then, rates have just gone up slightly every year. For example, for the book of Zurich, we have seen rates going up since the fourth quarter of 2008, every quarter, in no quarter our rates have been dropping since then. So this is, I would call, a hardening market, a market which allows us to offset the lower interest rate income and the increase in nat cats and large losses, which we obviously observe on a global scale. This is a great question. We are in a skills business, and therefore we really need to invest in people, because only people actually can create really advanced technology. And what I see also is our industry has become much more attractive for graduates, for students, because the reputation of the insurance industry has actually gone up, in particular relative to some other parts of the financial service industry. So we see really great CVs coming in, and we really can attract really great talent. But that is ultimately for the benefit of our customers, because they get a really superior service from Zurich. Wow, is it only 5 years ago? It feels much, much longer, because so many things has happened. I think we went from crisis to crisis to crisis. Today, we are in an extremely low investment environment. And that has huge implication for the insurance industry. What it means, we cannot bank on the investment results. We really have to be extremely good in underwriting. And I think that's the big change for our industry. Obviously, the whole financial crisis has created a lot of change also for our customers. It created a lot of uncertainty. And I have to say, in this uncertain environment, our customer actually have liked the certainty that Zurich can provide.